बताओ. How does it feel to inspire people?
Feels great to help them out, get them off misery, and to get them to work.
What if you inspire them to do something wrong? Does that count as a good thing then?
Well, it depends now. The main question is, what point of view you look at. I mean, there's this guy who's good for nothing, mobs all day long, and finally you go to him and give him a purpose in life. So I think I'm doing a good job.
What if he turns into a terrorist? आतंकवादी बन गया तो?
It would be wrong for the society, but still better for the guy as he's at least doing something. Now, yeah. And if you consider to ignore the simple nature of right and wrong, I guess it works that I've done something fine.
What if he turns against you?
मुझे cheat करना, it's not that easy, you see. I never leave any loose ends. और अगर ऐसा हो भी गया, तो I deserve it.
Now don't give me that bullshit.
What's up, pretty boy?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You too, Sherlock. Hands where I can see them. He was right. You're handsome. And who are you?
If you want introductions, you got to start off with yourself.
I'm a darling. I'm your stepsister, who is here to give you the kiss of death. And he is my boyfriend. Your turn.
You don't want to mess with me.
Shut up!
So, pretty boy, you did something stupid some days back.
So, you are the one who they call the forger.
Yes, that depends upon who you are.
Just a client who wants your services.
What kind of services?
I'm Ronak Kapoor's son, RK for short. You must have surely heard of my dad's name.
You think I'm drunk? Or are you high? As far as I know, Ronak Kapoor has only one son. He doesn't look like you.
I'm the illegitimate one. And you know when it comes to illegitimate,
They are always out of the will.
he's giving me 5%.
Well, that's too much for someone like you, don't you think? I mean, he's gonna have a tough time explaining that out to people.
Well, I want it all.
Want doesn't get.
That bloody doesn't apply to me. So,
You want a forged will.
everything you need will be arranged for. Then, we take him out.
रावण से उसकी लंका ही मांग ली. Can't wait for him to die.
शुभ काम में देरी कैसे?
I would appreciate if you understand the gravity of your request.
You better understand. रावण सिर्फ एक है और इस वक्त वो तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा है.
Suppose if I get to do it, what do I get?
A crore every year when the work is done, or a bullet in your head right away.
So I'll do it. Do I have any choice?
No, you absolutely do. I'll be happy to give you the bullet too.
Mister.
Call me Mr. X for now.
But I got to know your name sometime.
Let's save it for that time then.
Well, Mr. X, let me see what I can do. Do you mean the RK case?
Yes, we freaking mean the RK case.
I did not have any choice. All I did was gave someone their right.
उसने क्या बोला तेरे को? He was an illegitimate son. पहले some news for a genius. Ronak Kapoor does not have an illegitimate son.
Yes, he would tell a contract killer his biggest secret, right?
I'm the one with the gun here, you meatball. You better take my word for it. The guy used the power of attorney to shift all the money towards this account and then retransferred power to Ronak Kapoor.
In short, he ate all the chocolates and left the wrapper for the owner.
RK doesn't like to be bankrupt now. उसको उसका पैसा वापस चाहिए.
If he's really bankrupt now, why do you still work for him? How can he pay you? Can he?
You know, I'm really fighting an impulse to shoot you now. अपना मुंह मत रख and do what we ask you to.
What is it that you want?
Smart boy. Can you trace him back?
What do I get for it?
You get to keep your life, you idiot. You think you can screw one of the richest men in the world and get a prize from him for it?
I think you're assuming a bit too much, isn't it?
Can you do it?
Depends.
How about this?
You did not have to do that. Okay, I will.
That's like a good boy. How quickly?
Help me to my desk. Get a bandage for my leg. I'll start right away. And please, get this dead man out of this room. I cannot work with a dead man in the room.
He's such a nice guy, ain't he? No fuss.
Do you mind me working with my headphones on? I work faster that way.
No worries, kid.
Don't try anything stupid. That's it.
A bit of concentrated ultrasonics can literally fry your brains, you see. What the hell?
Bulletproof vest. Have to nowadays. Still freaking hurts.
9mm pistol. Looks familiar. Have a look.
Yes, it does. How many bullets inside?
He shot 2, so 4 more. Dude, you scared the shit out of me.
Did I? Sorry, boss. Can't leave any loose ends. Can't let you track me down. Listen, you have a little thing to do for me. Thanks for your help. I have a gift for you.
मुझे चीट करना, it's not that easy, you see. I never leave any loose ends. और अगर ऐसा हो भी गया, so I deserve it.